GST. Have you wondered what GST is and why it is seen on almost any bill we are paying? GST is goods and service tax. In other words, for any goods we are buying or any service we are availing, we have to pay tax. Then the question comes, we were paying tax earlier also, not now. The big difference between that then and now is that this in 2000 in 1st July 2017, government introduced this this single indirect tax system, replacing the earlier multi tax system, where we were paying separate excise duty, we were paying what we were paying, we were paying service tax, we were paying, and different other taxes we were paying. But now, after the introduction of this GST, we have to pay only one tax. Everything is included in that tax. Earlier, we had there was state governments were charging the sale taxes. So the problem was that every state was charged, and that tax system was different. There was no unity. So there was always confusion, consolidation, and discussion with the state, discussion with the center. To avoid these things, it is now only one, that is called the GST. Now even the GST is of four types, depending upon different government. We have CGST. CGST is for the central government. SGST we have, that is for the state government. Then UGST we have for the union territory government. IGST we have for the interstate government. These all may be different, but the payment is only through one way. So where the transparency is more, one India, one tax concept is coming. Then again, it reduces lot of complexities. There has been lot of resistance from the state government, but it has been slowly made them understand. The one of the big complication was that earlier, when the things were produced in one state and it was sold in by the other state, the state which was selling it was also getting the tax, and the state manufacturing was getting lesser than that. So such confusions were there. So that is why we have interstate tax system where it is being equalized. So not only the state manufacturing it, the state selling it also gets a benefit of the same. That GST rates, as per the Indian law, generally is 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. It depends upon the goods you are buying or the service you are availing. Depending on that, these rates will be moving. And very often the central government pass various rules, including the list in which and reducing or increasing the tax rates. Now, next time when you are buying a goods, you should check the GST. Then you will realize what does it mean. Remember, GST is the simplest way the India make people pay tax. If you want to know more on this topic, you can contact us or subscribe our channel for this.